Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new tech news from Technary.com. And today Gionee M30 has been launched with 10,000 mAh battery. Gionee has launched a new device in China. The best part is that it is having a massive battery capacity of 10,000 mAh. This is the Gionee M30. Let us have a look at the features of this device. It is having a 6-inch HD plus LCD with 720 by 1440 pixels of screen resolution. It is powered by MediaTek Helio P60 SoC. It has 8 GB of massive RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The phone has 16 megapixels on the rear and 8 megapixels on the front side. There is a fingerprint sensor in the back. Also, it has a face unlock feature. The phone has 3.5 jack and stereo speakers with USB Type-C support. The most amazing feature is its massive 10,000 mAh battery capacity with 25 watt fast charging. Though there is no announcement from the brand of launching in India yet, stay tuned on our Instagram, which is Technary.com. The price of this device is CNY 1399, which is around 15,000 rupees in Indian currency approximately. As soon as it gets launched in India or any announcement is there, keep visiting our Instagram, which is Technary.com. Follow us there. Also, keep visiting our website, which is Technary.com. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.